Hey, I'm Mr. Muds, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you're going to save some money with a plugin called Coupert. That's right, Coupert. It's easy. The link is below. An easy browser plugin that's going to allow you to save like tons of money, and it's super easy to install. It's so easy. I'm going to show you. We're even at a park here, playing some radio, ham radio that is. So what you're going to want to do is go to Coupert.com, click on it, add to Chrome. It's free, 100% free, guys. It's not going to cost you a thing. Click on add to Chrome. It's going to ask you to install an extension, and there it is. A few seconds, it is installed. All your cashback is everything's going to be loaded onto your computer in the background. Now let's go buy something. I feel like I'm going to see what a LifePo 4 battery is. Since we're out at the park, we always need some power, right? So here's a good one. Let's see. There's the price of it. Let's see just how good of a sale or promotion we're going to get. There's Coupert searching in the background. We're going to click on that icon and we're going to compare. It has all the price trends that you need to see when you could buy it, when you should have, or maybe when you can in the future. And we're also going to compare and save. It's going to list you all the other websites, hundreds of them, and tell you what the best price is. So let's click on this one. Let's save 10 bucks. We're going to go here, click on it. It's going to redirect us to another website, Eco-worthy. There it is. It's on sale, cheaper than Amazon. We're going to add it to the cart. And then you click on that little tiny C in the corner right there, pointed out, and we're gonna see something amazing happening. There is a cashback offered, and it is great. You guys have to accumulate your cash, and it'll be going onto your little account for later. So let's order this sucker. We got the cashback, and boom, it is activating it. Going to run all in the background. You don't have to do nothing. Again, the link is down below. Click on it. This is how you're going to install it. All right, so let's go to the checkout. Oh, look at that. Automatic coupon testing. So it's going to find the best coupon for you. It's going to search everything. Why clip out coupons or search for them? You don't have to. It's going to automatically see if there's a coupon. Now, this is the best part about this whole thing. They got a guarantee. If they don't find a coupon for you, they're going to give you some cash. So if you don't save for 3 times, bang, you're going to get yourself some money back. They got a number of guarantees. There's nothing to lose. This thing's absolutely free. It's one of the best plugins you could get into your browser. All the stuff is on their webpage. And another thing, if they don't find it and you found a coupon, they're also going to give you cash. Guys, come on, what are you waiting for? Get this sucker, put it on your browser. It works on your phone, it works on Chrome, all sorts of different browsers. It just works. And if you're not happy with it, don't use it. But why wouldn't you use it? It's completely automatic. So there you are. We have saved some money out in the park here. It is a blizzard. I mean, I bought this Pelican case here for my Go box. I've saved 20 bucks using Coupert, and by the looks of it here, we've still got lots of snow here in Saskatchewan. I'm gonna have to probably go online and get myself some gloves. All right, guys, look at the pinned comment below and the link below for how to get this. Super easy to do. Push rewind, watch this video again. Man, it's not really hard, just click. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Again, visit the sponsor here of this video, Coupert, and see you hams on the bands. And if you're not a ham, what are you waiting for? Go get your license. 73s.